All right, you cum stains on the map, buckle the fuck up for Craven Moorhead's 10-day apocalypse. Straight from the Met Office's chemtrail silo, no lube. High pressures glued to Britain like Starmer's forehead to a donor's crotch. Unmoving, sweaty, and full of hot air that'll rot your teeth. Expect drizzle engineered to taste like disappointment. Today, grey sky sodomy. Storm Amy ghosted us last week. This week's getting soft core same drizzle, less wind, so your depression can marinate. Clouds so thick even the pigeons are filing for mental health leave. Midweek, South gets a frost kiss because some technician jerked off instead of calibrating the heaters. North, your hills are wearing piss-soaked nappies. Fog's rolling in like Greta's bill for moral high ground. Weekend, Saturday's pleasant translates to not actively raping your face yet. Sunday's fog so dense you'll walk into your own regrets. Temps, 17 to 18, same as my libido after reading policy docs. Next week, wind might flip from east-southeast North Sea sludgefest to southeast, which just means drier lies instead of wet ones. By the 20th, some models whisper rain, but high pressure's got a chokehold tighter than Labour's grip on common sense. Translation: more manufactured nothing plus chemtrail mist to keep you docile. Bottom line, dry, grey, soul dead. These cunts just named the new COVID strains Stratus and Nimbus, like it's not a goddamn billboard screaming, "The clouds are spitting virus down your throat." High pressure today? Nah, that's the government pressing your face into the wet bar, while BBC News whispers, "It's just weather," through gritted teeth. Those grey blankets overhead? Chemtrail lube for the airborne bioweapon they're calling Nimbus. Yeah, the one that makes your balls itch and your lungs sound like bagpipes. Stratus is the lazy one, drifting in tomorrow like your ex who still knows your Netflix password, except now it's uploading your DNA to Starmer's digital ID cloud. Yes, pun intended, you dumb fuck. South gets breaks in cloud translation. Gaps for the drones to scan your forehead for fever while you're too busy sneezing to notice. North? Congrats, Stratus just made your drizzle radioactive. Breathe it in like a good citizen. 18 degrees. Warm enough to sweat, cold enough to cough. Perfect incubation pod. Frost tonight. That's the virus freezing in your veins so they can track it later. Media's loving this, aren't they? Weather worsens headlines right next to new variant spreads. Blink twice if you're seeing the script. Weekend, Nimbus clears up just long enough for you to catch it twice, maybe 3 times if you're lucky. Sunday fog, that's Stratus hiding the delivery vans full of booster jabs labelled vitamin D. By the 20th, they'll say rain's coming, probably laced with Nimbus 2.0, courtesy of whatever pharma cartel owns the Met Office. Wake up, the sky's not crying, it's ejaculating plague. High pressures still bitch slapping the UK like Starmer slapping digital IDs down your throat. Permanent, invasive, and pretending it's for your safety. Same vibe. You'll wake up tomorrow tracked, chipped, and still wetter than a Midlands fox. Clouds today? That's the privacy fog machine. They say drizzle. Nah. That's the residue of your freedoms dissolving mid-air while some cunt in Whitehall masturbates to your GPS logs. Midweek, South gets breaks in cloud. Yeah, so they can scan your retinas clearer. Scotland, Northern Ireland, congrats, your hills are now classified weather zones. Biometric checkpoints at every ridge. By the 20th, rain'll hit right when they force your ID app to auto-refresh. Coincidence? Fuck off. Stay paranoid, stay erect, stay offline. Craven Moorhead, now with extra tinfoil up my arse, and soon your sheep will need a microchip too. You think drizzle's bad? Wait till they make you scan your thumb to leave your house. Now get off my lawn and go register your face like a good little drone. And please remember, if you watched it and you liked it, please share for others to enjoy it as well. I have been Craven Moorhead, and that was your weather. See you next time.